Are you organizing small events, church activities, seminars, marketing events, groups, associations, and private events? Organizing an event, no matter how small, can be complicated if managed traditionally. Promoting, sending invitations, managing registrations, collecting payments, and accepting event donations or contributions from person to person can be overwhelming and time-consuming. Time that should have been spent for other equally, if not more important tasks. Traditional event management could actually cost you more in the long run. You need a system that makes it convenient for you. A system that's easy to set up, with absolutely no IT skills needed. Just a computer device and an internet connection. www.fellopages.com is your one-stop solution. Fellopages is a cost-efficient, easy-to-set-up event showcase and management platform. Fellopages serves as your aid in ensuring the success and seamless management of your events, so you can sit back, relax, and let Fellopages' automated features do the rest. From sending digital invitations and managing attendees to accepting ticket payments and donations online, Fellopages got it all covered. Say goodbye to the old-fashioned way of managing your small events and say hello to Fellopages. It's just logical. So what are you waiting for? Visit www.fellopages.com and create your free account to start.